Hello guys, happy Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to discuss Cardano ADA. Yeah. So guys, this project is designed to be a flexible and scalable blockchain platform. Yeah. For running smart contracts. Yeah. Which will allow the development of a wide range of decentralized finance apps. So guys, if you like this project, yeah, and you want to buy this project, yeah, the current price is 0.7747 US dollars. So guys, you can take advantage of the current price if you have spare money. Yeah. So guys, make sure you have projects like this in your portfolio. Yeah. Grayscale just filed for Cardano ADA ETF. So guys, I believe this project is going to do well. Yeah. Once the ETF is approved, yeah, I'll tell you guys, this project will blast off. So guys, don't miss out on this project. Yeah. I bought mine in 2020. So guys, I'm still buying more. So guys, ADA is up, yeah, 3.64%. Yeah. In 7 days, ADA is up 3.65%. In 30 days, yeah, ADA was down 19.83%. In 90 days, ADA blast off 33.82%. So guys, if you have coin market cap or coin gecko, yeah, you can search for ADA. When you search for ADA, yeah, you click on markets, yeah. When you click on markets, you will see all crypto exchange where you can buy ADA coin, yeah. So guys, if you click on news on coin market cap, yeah, you will see all detailed news, yeah, about this project. Yeah, Grayscale's files for spot ADA ETF. Yeah. So guys, this is one of the current news. Yeah. So Grayscale just filed for ADA ETF, like I mentioned before. Yeah, I believe this project will blast off once the ETF is approved. So guys, take advantage if you have spare money. Yeah. So guys, if you click on yield, yeah, you will see all platforms where you can stake your ADA tokens. You can stake on Binance, you can stake on BitGet, you can stake on Bing X and Nexo. So guys, if you don't have Nexo, you can download Nexo, yeah, from your Play Store. And if you want to buy ADA, you can buy ADA on any of these platform listed on Coin Market Cap. So guys, if you want to view the Cardano website, yeah, on Coin Market Cap, yeah, you click on websites. You click on website, yeah. So guys, this is the Cardano website, yeah, making the world work better for all. Yeah, so Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries. Yeah, with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. Okay, this is amazing. Yeah, so guys, if you check out this website, yeah, you will get more information about this project. So guys, let me show you the use case or the use cases for this project. Yeah. So guys, use cases. Yeah. Cardano, a developing platform built to support enterprises and a wide range of use cases solving challenges across multiple industries. So guys, some of the use case, yeah, education, yeah, digital identity management, finance, government, yeah, decentralized finance, DeFi, payment methods, yeah, agriculture, retail. So guys, these are some of the use cases. Yeah. So when you click on learn, yeah, you can also get detailed information. Yeah. Find Cardano wallets. So guys, let us check out some of the wallets where you can store your Cardano. So guys, you can use some of these wallets, yeah, to store your Cardano. Yeah, so these are some of the listed wallets on the Cardano website. Okay, so let us check out staking. Delegate your stake. So guys, you can stake in some of the wallet listed here on this platform. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.